All right, it's day 2 of breaking the bedrock. You can see 2 machines here working, making a lot of noise. The one machine that's right over my head is moving the broken up rock, and they're going to use it as fill on the site to help basically hold up the area where the driveway is going to be. You'll see that in a future video. So they're not trucking any of it away. That'll save some money. But he said the machine that's cracking the rock should be done today, and we'll come back and show you what the cleaned out basement hole looks like before they start to get it ready to pour a foundation. I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com here in Meredith, New Hampshire. If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.